Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use XP boost on Duolingo. So to do this you have just to go to Duolingo app, open it, and to see your XP or experience like a boost, you have to go and to click on the gems or the diamonds on the top of the screen. And as you can see, you will find my items here. And there is, as you can see, XP boost. And for me now it's 0, so I don't have XP boost. And normally you will get them for free when you play. So for example, when I click on it, as you can see, it will tell me do more lessons to earn an XP boost. So as much as you do lessons, they will give it to you as a gift for the lessons that you are doing. But you can also buy triple XP boost. It's not always available, so you can find it sometimes available to buy it. So for example, for me, it tells me this triple XP boost will unlock in 6 hours and 31 minutes. And after that, I can buy it. And of course, I can buy it with diamonds or gems, which you have to buy them here with real money. So there is multiple solutions. The first one is to get them for free when you play, or you can buy them with gems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.